Alrighty guys, we were working on a W220 S500 with the M113 engine. This is the 5.0 V8, but this will also be for the S430, for the M113K. It'll work for all of them. We are changing these spark plugs, and I found that the easiest way is to remove these air boxes right here. There's some clips. You just pull up on this one, remove these snorkel tubes, and then just pop that one out right there. There might be a clip to the MAF on the back. Then what I found is the easiest way. You could probably do it without doing this, but I just took the screw out of the coil pack. It's a T30, and I removed all the coil packs so they're out of the way. And then to remove all of the spark plug wires, you place a wrench, a 17 millimeter wrench toward right here, and you just pop them off. You pry them basically against like this. You put it in here, you push on it, and then that pops out. It's hard to do with one hand. And then you grab yourself a 5/8 spark plug socket. You place it onto the spark plug, and I'm using a side ratchet here from Milwaukee. This makes the job a lot faster. I zip them on out. I pop the old plug out, and then I tighten the plugs to 25 Newton meters with my torque wrench, just to make sure that they're sealed on nicely. And that would be 18.5 foot-pounds converted from Newton meters. And then you just install them in reverse order. And always the top plug on these coil packs goes to the front. So like this one would go to the front, and then this one would go to the next one. And you just clip all these back in order, and you have your spark plugs changed. This is the part number for the spark plugs I'm changing on this thing. There's about 16 spark plugs, 2 per cylinder, since it's a V8, but that'll differ depending on what engine you actually have. And then on some plugs, if you do find oil inside of the tubes, it is nice to just get some of these cotton swabs from Harbor Freight. They help clean up the contacts, so the actual ignition coil sticks on really well to the actual plug itself. And then you just install everything in reverse order, and your engine should be running way smoother. Just wanted to make a quick video since I'm doing this job anyway. Figured I might be able to help somebody out. Thank you for watching.